Kia Connect allows you to check maintenance service intervals to help maintain your Kia. It can also provide you with reminders when it's time for service. With Kia Connect activated, from the infotainment system home screen, press Maintenance. Here you can view the driving distance and number of days left until the next recommended service visit. The Kia maintenance service intervals are designed to help you get the most out of your vehicle. The recommended maintenance intervals are determined based on the vehicle's year, model, and trim. This information is also contained in your owner's manual. When it's time for service, a reminder will appear on the instrument cluster and on the Kia Connect app. You can reset this information by pressing Reset Maintenance Notification. Press Schedule Service to schedule a service appointment at a Kia dealer. You can set your preferred dealer by going to owners.kia.com or select Nearby to access a list of nearby dealerships. You can also schedule service on the Kia Access app. Select Maintenance, Request Appointment, and follow the prompts. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!